For May the 4th be with you, the unofficial Star Wars holiday, we recommend R2d2 and Friends. It is a Star Wars themed easy reader. It's a great title for the Star Wars fans learning to read independently. I personally have a soft spot for all droids. This one drew me in on that alone. It goes through different types of droids, the fun adventures they have, and some of R2's more popular friends like C-3PO. 5-minute Star Wars stories. This is a popular series, the 5-minute series. It has 11 short Star Wars stories from the beginning of the saga through The Force Awakens. I love the 5-minute series of books for the ability to pick up where you left off at any time. Great little shorts for a Star Wars fan. And third, the Jedi Academy graphic novels. A really great series for those moving into chapter books and beyond. Similar to Diary of a Wimpy Kid in style, part chapter book, part graphic novel, this series tells the familiar story of trying to fit in with a new school crowd with a backdrop of Jedi school. There are many great titles celebrating mothers. This year I selected Mommy, Mama, and Me by Leslie Newman. It's a great little reader for babies and toddlers in your life near Mother's Day. Just simple pages of all the fun things baby gets to do with his mothers. Ramadan this year goes through the middle of May and is ended by the holiday Eid. I recommend Once Upon an Eid. It is a lovely way to introduce Muslim stories during the month of Ramadan. 15 short stories by different authors. I love the variety of hopeful stories in this compilation for chapter book readers. World Turtle Day is one of those obscure holidays that I love to look up. This year it is on May 23rd. Run, Sea Turtle Run, A Hatchling's Journey is a very sweet, easy nonfiction picture book for younger turtle fans to learn about the journey of hatching sea turtles. Memorial Day this year is May 31st. For that, I recommend The Poppy Lady, Moina Bell Michael and her tribute to veterans. It's a great biography to read in honor of Memorial Day about the history of the poppy as a symbol of the fallen. For this spring, I picked 3 titles that really stuck out to me. The first one is Mossy by Jan Brett. It's a beautiful story of a special turtle named Mossy. We learn the beauty of her natural habitat and that we as humans should leave animals in their habitats where they are happiest whenever possible. Brett's illustrations are always something special to look forward to. Second, The Little Green Girl. The Little Green Girl was a lovely surprise. I had never heard of it. A story about perseverance, wanderlust, and not letting others hold you back. And our third picture book for spring is 999 Frogs Wake Up by Ken Kimura. It's a lovely story about animals in nature waking up from spring.